Bu markazning uzunligi 160 metr, eni 120 metrga yaqin, balandligi 34 metr va uning markazidagi gumbazning balandligi 64 metrni tashkil etadi. Bu demak o'sha mashhur Agradagi Toj Mahal va Turkiyadagi Ayo Sofiya majmualari gumbazlari bilan deyarli teng.
Spanning nearly 10 hectares, Islamic Civilization Center is the new cultural landmark of Uzbekistan. Construction began in 2018, reviving the architectural brilliance of medieval Central Asia, initiated by President Shavkat Mirziyoyev, who personally guided its design and artistic concept. The center sits beside Tashkent's historic Hast Imam Ensemble, surrounded by a quarter reflecting classical Central Asian architecture.
Yerdagi me'morchilik an'analarini hisobga olgan holda hamda Toshkentning eski shahari markazida joylashganligi uchun biz me'moriy yechimni ham shu hududda arxitekturasiga moslashimiz kerak deb bildik.
The complex is defined by 4 34-meter portals arranged in perfect symmetry. The main facade, the Ulug'bek portal, draws inspiration from the Ulug'bek Madrasa at Registan Square. Clinker tiles, ornate patterns, and inscriptions convey the center's spiritual mission.
Buni atrofida aynan Ulug'bek madrasasida bitilgan hadis sharif, ya'ni bilim olish har bir mo'min musulmonlar va ularning ayollari, musulmon va muslimalar uchun farzdir degan hadis yozilgan. Bundan tashqari Qur'oni Karimning nozil qilingan birinchi oyati, ya'ni Alaqa surasining birinchi oyati yaratgan Alloh nomi bilan o'qi deb nomlanadigan oyat bitilgan.
Behind every detail of this complex stands a living tradition. The craftsmen working here follow the classical schools of Uzbekistan's ancient cities, Samarkand, Bukhara, Khorazm, and others, reviving techniques that shaped the architecture of Central Asia for centuries. One of the core spaces of the complex is the Quran Hall, covers 1,200 square meters. A 50-ton chandelier adorned with 1.6 million Swarovski crystals hangs at its center, while rose Portugal marble adds luminous elegance. 8 silk carpets display verses and surahs from the Quran.
Yuzimizning o'rtasida Qur'on zali joylashgan. Bu Usmon mushafi balandligi 65 metrlik gumbaz ostida joylashgan bo'lib, tomonlari 46 ga 46 metr.
The work of Uzbek artisans is everywhere. Carved wooden doors, ornamental belts, and handcrafted cladding form a living bridge between heritage and modern design.
Mahalliy daraxt taxtalaridan tayyorlangan mahsulotlar albatta o'zidan iqlimga moslashgan bo'ladi. Uni ham umri ham uzoq bo'ladi. Biz shunga ko'proq e'tibor berdik. Endi ichkari qismda tashqi muhitga ta'sir qilmasligi uchun, tashqi muhit ta'siri bo'lmagani uchun o'sha buk taxtasidan ishlatdik. Endi bularni tekisligi, silliqligi, yumshoqligi, ustaligi ancha imkoniyat berdi.
On the grounds stands the Hall of Fame, a unique gallery decorated with handmade mosaic panels. 14 arcs, each nearly 10 meters tall, are dedicated to great scholars and rulers whose legacies are closely tied to the region.
Shu paytgacha qilingan mozaikalar sun'iy toshdan qilingan. Bu safar haqiqiy, natural, marmar rangli toshlardan qilindi. Bu o'ta juda murakkab jarayon. Qilingan mozaika o'ylaymanki, faqat O'rta Osiyoda, balki boshqa davlatlarda ham hali qilinmagan.
The center unites traditional architecture with modern technology. Its monumental 3D mapping show transforms the facade into a living canvas, where 47 high lumen projectors bring Central Asia's history to life, from ancient civilizations to the Second Renaissance and modern Uzbekistan. Calligraphy, symbols, maps, and historical figures appear in vivid light, creating a fully immersive experience. Through its design and craftsmanship, the Islamic Civilization Center shows how Uzbekistan preserves its heritage while embracing the innovations of the modern world.